start. Hi everyone, this is Shalini Kumar. Today we are going to practice pranayama. We will be practicing for 10 minutes. So here, see to that you are sitting a little bit in an elevated thing. Sit on a blanket or a pillow or a brick. So you can sit in any comfortable sthiti. If you are not able to sit on the floor, you can sit on the chair. The thing is, you need to be comfortable, that's all. Now you can keep your left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Anunasika Mudra. First one, we will be starting with, very slowly you will be closing your right nostril. Now inhale and exhale through left nostril only. We are going to do that for 9 rounds. As you inhale, your abdomen should bulge. As you exhale, it should sink. Inhale, exhale. Control your breath through your abdomen. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very slow. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale. Now very slowly you can keep the hand in Chin Mudra. This is Chandra Anuloba Viloma Pranayama. Now you can do the same thing on the right nostril. Now very slowly we are going to close. Remember, the 2 fingers are closed, your index finger and middle finger. We are going to close our left nostril. Inhale and exhale through right nostril only. Now inhale, exhale. 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 Last time, inhale and exhale. You can do it more slower than this. Video will become very long, so I am making it short. So next one is, we will go for Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika is, you inhale and exhale through the nose only. A faster inhalation and a faster exhalation through nose. This is one of the best pranayama for this particular situation. The COVID virus stays in your nose for 20 days. If you are a regular practitioner of Bhastrika, you can get rid of it before the virus enters your body. Now you have to keep both the hands in Chin Mudra. Now sit straight. Now inhale and exhale through the nose only. 1 for 2. Relax. You can feel the vibration in your facial muscles. Relax for a moment. And this is a short pranayama. This is done only for 10 to 12 counts, maximum 15. This is practiced only for 10 rounds. Now, next one is, you all should be familiar with this. This is Brahmari. We roll the tongue from upwards and chant Nakara. Now, sit straight. You can chant Makara. Some people say you need to chant Makara. Anything will do. Now, your tongue is turned towards the upper palate. Then, close your mouth. Last time. Just observe yourself. Feel the difference in your physical body. You can do this for more rounds. This is the simplest and easiest pranayama. Next one is Surya Beda, Chandra Beda pranayama. Now again we are going to keep our right hand in Chinmaya Mudra. Then very slowly close your right nostril. Just hear to me carefully. We are going to inhale through left nostril. Close. Exhale through right nostril. Again close. Inhale through left nostril. Close. Exhale through right nostril. We are just inhaling through left nostril, exhaling through right nostril. We are going to do the same thing for 9 rounds. Inhale. Observe your abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. last time, inhale and exhale. Observe yourself. Now we can do the same thing on right nostril. We need to inhale through right nostril, exhale through left nostril. Surya Bheda Pranayama. Here you can do this for more rounds. Preferably usually we do it for 9 rounds. You can increase it for 10 rounds or 21 rounds or 27 rounds, like that you can do it. Now Anunasika Mudra. Now very slowly close your left nostril. Inhale through your right. Close. Exhale through your left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Now observe yourself. Next one is Ujjayi Pranayama. Here we inhale through the nose, bend our head little bit and make a small sound in the throat and exhale through the nose, so that you have a control over your exhalation. So very slowly inhale, both the hands in nice chin mudra. Inhale. Make a small sound which is heard only for you. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now relax. Observe your neck. Observe your shoulder. Now we will go for the last one, that is Kapalbhati, where you flap your abdomen forcefully. Sit straight, keep a smiling face, relax your facial muscles. Shall we start? 1, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Usually this is done for some 40 rounds or 50 rounds max. Observe the silence in your mind. Enjoy that silence. Now, we are going to go for Murcha Pranayama, where you are going to lift your head little bit and concentrate between both the eyebrows. Observe some 4 to 5 breaths. Open your eyes very slowly. So here we are going to end this pranayama practice. This will be taking around 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You can practice this every day. So let me know, please do share, subscribe and let me know the comments. Thank you.